Today I'm gonna be taking you through an app that you can use to get unlimited temporary emails and use for your verifications and then all kinds of other stuffs. Now, one thing special about this temporary email thing is that it is not like other temporary email websites in which if you get an email, they give you a certain time and then that email will expire and then you get another one. But with this method that I'm going to show you right now, you can be able to use that email whenever you want and then have access to it as long as you want. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go ahead and then get straight into the tutorial and then show you how everything is going to be done. Now, I don't know if this method is gonna work for iOS or iPhone users, but during the video I'm going to be doing a little bit research with you guys to see if the method is actually going to work on iOS or iPhone. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're gonna be needing is this application over here. I don't actually know how the name is pronounced, but to me I see it has to be InstAddr shortened in that way. So this is the app we are going to be using over here. So I'm going to be clicking on that to open it, and then this app is currently available on the Google Play Store. You can just go ahead and then search for it and then you'll be able to have access to it. Like I said earlier, I don't know whether if it's available for iOS or iPhone users, but I'm going to be doing a little bit research with you guys soon and then you all find out. So once you get once you get into the app, you're going to be greeted with this interface over here, in which you'll be automatically generated with an email. But if you don't like the email, you can just go ahead and then generate another one yourself, which you are going to be doing so with the first button over here which says create an address automatically. So if you click on that, it's going to take some time and then create an address for you automatically. Now you can either copy this address, create a new message with this address, or add another name to this address, or show QR code, or you can even generate a random password for this address. Now, one thing I like about this temporary email system is that you can be able to use this email over here to message another email or to email someone else, and I'm also going to be showing you that a bit soon, so make sure to stay to the very end to see how everything is going to go. So now we've gotten our email generated, which is over here. Now if you want to see a message for a particular email, you will just have to click on that email, and once you click on it, it's going to show you this over here. So now I want you to go ahead and then click on display incoming mail. And once you click on that, it is going to show you all the emails that you receive using that address. So yeah, if you want to send email, you will just have to go ahead and then click on the send out icon over here, and you can see I've used the first email that we've seen in the video to create account on Grok or SpaceX and then Cling AI, and the email pretty much works on most of the platforms. So let's go to the send out box over here, and then I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to send email using your temporary email. And you can see that I've been able to do some testings over here. 21 days ago I've done these 2 testing over here to make sure that everything is working properly before I make a video for you guys. Now if you want to send the email, I want you to switch over to this editor area, or the area with that pencil icon over there. Now, and then once you get on this page, I want you to click on the sender area and then select the email that you want to use for the sending. In this case, we are going to be using the newly generated email, and then from the recipient you enter the email that you want to send this to. Now note that if you use this email to send message to another email, the email might be considered as a spam or junk mail, so you have to take notice of that and then know how you are going to send the email so that your user can be able to get access to it. So I'm going to be using my own email over here, and then leave the subject as is, and then type in just hi, and then from there I'm going to click on send message. You can also attach files if you want to, like images or any file that you want, and then once you are done with everything, you just have to go ahead and then click on send message, and then click on OK to confirm that you actually want to send this message, and then you can see that our message have been sent. We just have to head back to our Gmail application, and then see whether if we've actually received this email or not. So let's give it a little refresh. So like I said earlier, the email might be sent to spam, which you can see over here. It has been considered as a spam. So all that you have to do is click on not report not spam, and then it will be moved to the actual mailbox over here. So now we are done with that part. Let me go ahead and show you the rest of the parts. Let me go ahead and show you the rest of the part, that is doing the research to see whether if this application is actually available for iOS users. So let's go ahead and search for that. Okay, so lucky for you guys, the iPhone or iOS users can also have access to this application and then use the temporary email, which you can see over here, and it even got a pretty much good review over here, 4.5 out of 5. So I think that is pretty much it for this video. If there is anything that you didn't understand, just go ahead and then write it down in the comment section, and then I'll do my possible best to attend to each and every single one of them and then help you out with it. Also, if you find the video helpful, kindly please like the video, and then also subscribe to the channel as we are on our way to 2,000 subscribers, and then also share the video with someone else that will be in need of this tutorial. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day.